Zaku Good morning, Moray v'Rabotai. Be'ezrat Hashem Mincha is going to be 5:30. Please be on time. We'll discuss back to the melacha of trapping of tzad, a few of the technical elements, the structural elements of the melacha to understand the full picture of the melacha. The Rambam writes, and is brought down in the Shulchan Aruch, the full melacha of trapping is taking it from 100% not trapped to 100% trapped. What's an example? You're out in the wild and you have a deer and you're able to catch the deer with all these tactics because otherwise you're not going to catch it. It moves fast, it goes. You used to have a tactical plan to catch it, and then you put it into a small room or you put it into a small courtyard outside where it's not really able to move so much. It's only able to move a little bit, but its movement is severely restricted, and therefore you don't need to do any further actions of trapping when it's in there. So it went from 100% not trapped, 100% trapped. That is the melacha of tzad from the Torah. The same thing would be true not just for a deer, it would be true for birds. If a person takes a bird from the wild and he is able to catch it and he puts it into a cage, or he's able to not catch it, he shoos it into a cage, he finds a way to usher it into the cage, and then he closes the cage. That is called the melacha of trapping when it comes to a bird. And same thing is true for a fish. If he takes a fish and catches it and puts it into a pail of water, that would be the melacha of trapping 100%. However, if he takes a deer and he's able to bring it into a room that is pretty big, a large-sized room, which doesn't have a lot of obstacles and a lot of things, and the deer has kind of somewhat level of functioning and is able to run, is able to try to escape him, in that case, he is not doing a Torah violation. The violation is only of rabbinic nature, becomes derabanan. Why? Because it's quasi-trapped. To some degree, it is trapped. It cannot go wherever it wants. It's confined. But it's not 100% confined because you can't easily get it even when it's in the room. And therefore, that's called rabbinic. The same thing would be true for the bird. If it's a very big cage, where even within the cage it has room to maneuver, that would be midrabanan. And same goes for the fish. If you put it in a small pond, it would still need some expertise in catching. That would be a rabbinic level of trapping. So all of those are rabbinic, versus the first examples I chose are Torah levels, and we will discuss Be'ez Hashem tomorrow the ramifications behind something being a rabbinic trapping versus something being a Torah trapping, because at the end of the day, they're both asur. So what ramification is there between one and the other? We'll see Be'ezrat Hashem in the days to come. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.